Hook, have you ever wondered why you need to verify your Kraken wallet? Is it just a tedious requirement, or is there something more to it? Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of Kraken wallet verification and explore why it's essential for your crypto journey. Building context, imagine you've just invested a significant amount of money into cryptocurrency. You've carefully chosen Kraken as your preferred exchange, and you're ready to start trading. But before you can fully immerse yourself in the world of digital assets, there's one crucial step: verifying your Kraken wallet. Why verify your Kraken wallet? Security. Verifying your wallet helps protect your funds from unauthorized access. By providing personal identification, you're adding a layer of security that makes it more difficult for hackers to steal your crypto. Compliance. Kraken is a regulated exchange, and verifying your wallet ensures that you're complying with local and international laws. This helps protect both you and the exchange from legal issues. Enhanced features. Once your wallet is verified, you'll gain access to a wider range of features, including higher trading limits, margin trading, and potentially even staking opportunities. Step-by-step guide to verifying your Kraken wallet. Log into your Kraken account. The first step is to log into your Kraken account using your username and password. Navigate to the verification page. Look for the verification or KYC section in your account settings. Click on it to start the verification process. Choose a verification level. Kraken offers different verification levels, each with its own requirements. The level you choose will depend on your trading needs and the amount of money you plan to deposit. Provide personal information. You'll be asked to provide personal information such as your full name, date of birth, address, and nationality. Be sure to enter accurate and up-to-date details. Upload identification documents. You'll need to upload copies of your identification documents, such as a passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Make sure the documents are clear and legible. Complete a face verification. In some cases, you may be required to complete a face verification process. This involves taking a selfie and matching it to your identification documents. Wait for approval. Once you've submitted all the necessary documents, you'll need to wait for Kraken to review and approve your verification. The approval process can take a few days or even weeks, depending on the volume of applications. Tips for a smooth verification process. Prepare your documents. Gather all the required documents before starting the verification process. This will save you time and avoid delays. Ensure document quality. Make sure your identification documents are clear, legible, and well lit. Poor quality documents can lead to rejection. Be patient. The verification process can take time. Avoid contacting Kraken's customer support unnecessarily. Follow instructions carefully. Pay close attention to the instructions provided on the verification page. Any mistakes or omissions can delay the process. Conclusion. Verifying your Kraken wallet is a crucial step in securing your crypto funds and accessing the full range of features the exchange offers. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can complete the verification process efficiently and start trading with confidence. Call to action. Have you verified your Kraken wallet yet? If not, don't wait any longer. Start the process today and enjoy the benefits of a verified account. End screen. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto content. Until next time.